Welcome to another episode of Bluff City Rub. So we're going to show you how to cook chicken thighs
on a gas grill with smoke. We've shown you how to cook chicken thighs on a charcoal grill. Today we're going to be showing you how to cook chicken thighs on a gas grill. Today we're going to be showing you how to render all the fat out of the chicken skin so you get that perfect crispy chicken skin. Greg, in our last video on how to cook chicken thighs on a charcoal grill, we got a few comments. Should we cook skin side up or skin side down?
How about we do both? Let's do both.
Let's do both.
Let's
Like,
get it.
subscribe,
Comment.
again,
All that.
crap.
Let's do it. We got our chicken thighs here. These are bone-in chicken thighs. I'm just going to trim up a little bit of the excess off of the side of the chicken thigh. All right, so we're trimming chicken thighs before we get them patted dry and seasoned for the gas grill. Trim off a little bit of that excess.
While Greg's trimming up the chicken thighs here, getting all the excess fat off, or excess skin, I'm gonna go ahead and get our grill ready for us. All right, we've got our grill up to about 400 here. That's where we're gonna be cooking. We're gonna be cooking hot. If you've lost your grill brush, just take you a wad of aluminum foil, wad it up. Just go ahead and scrape these grates clean.
Yeah, we're a little poor here for Bluff City Rub out here at the river, so let's take what we can get. Aluminum foil gets it done.
All right, Greg, one of the mistakes people make is they forget to oil their grill grates before cooking. We've got our grill set up. We got both outside burners on, the center burner off, which we'll be cooking hot today. And we got a can of cooking spray. If you're out of cooking spray and you need another tip, just get you a bowl of olive oil, a paper towel here, soak it, just oil your grates this way. This is another great tip for oiling your grates.
All right, for these chicken thighs on the gas grill, if you've seen any of our other chicken videos, you know we like to pat our chicken dry just so it gets a little bit crispy on the skin. So we're just gonna go ahead and pat all this chicken dry just like that, front and back. We let this chicken sit out for a little bit to come up to room temperature. That way it cooks evenly throughout the chicken. We'll flip it over, get the other side. We have our chicken that's been patted dry. We're gonna do this a quick way. We're out here at the river, going on a lake tomorrow. We're gonna do this real quick. So we're gonna throw it in a plastic baggie.
Just like we did our chicken wings on a gas grill.
A little bit of seasoning right there on top. Add a little olive oil to it. We're gonna shake it up real good. All right, we're gonna pull all our chicken out. We're gonna place it skin side down, half of them skin side up.
That's got a nice tan already, Greg.
All right, so we're gonna do half skin side up. Right here, we're gonna do half skin side down. And so we're just gonna add another layer of flavor right here on top of it. It's already got a good color that we want on it, which is gonna translate over as it smokes on the gas grill. We're just gonna add another layer right there on top. And then we're gonna flip them over, get the opposite side.
I'm excited about this cook, Greg.
I can tell.
I can't wait to see which one comes out better. Skin side up or skin side down.
Yeah. All right, so Joe's oiled up the grates for us, and we have it set up for an indirect cook. So we got this burner going on over here, both medium-high heat. This side, and then the far side. So far left, far right. Right here in the middle, there's no burner going, and that's where we're gonna cook our chicken at. And we're gonna do 3 of them skin side up. We're gonna do the other 3 skin side down. But when you put these on here, make sure you kind of form them up, because they're gonna seize just like you form them up on here. And that's exactly how they're gonna come out looking when they cook. These skin side down.
You did a great job spacing them out, Greg.
All right, chicken's nice and spaced out. We're gonna let this cook for about a good 15 to 20 minutes. Come back and check on it. All right, so we got the chicken on. We're about to let it roll. This is gonna be I wouldn't say a super long cook, about 40, 45 minutes. So just for an added layer of flavor, we're gonna add a little smoke bomb to the mix. So we got a smoke bomb full of hickory over here. Just throw it off to the side, and that's gonna smoke while the chicken cooks on the gas grill. All right, let's go ahead and check on our chicken. All right, so we got a little bit of smoke rolling here finally out of the smoke bomb. I would probably add the smoke bomb on, honestly, before you start cooking your chicken. But we got some smoke rolling out of here. We're gonna add a layer of flavor here to our chicken thighs as they continue to cook. We're about 15 minutes in. Just give it a light sprinkle, nothing heavy. We probably got another 30-40 minutes on the gas grill cooking these chicken thighs. All right, so it's been about 45 minutes or so. Go ahead and check on the chicken. We still got a little bit of smoke rolling. You see this chicken up here, it's got a little bit of dark undertones on the skin, got a little scorched here. Still looks good. And then we have our chicken here, the skin side down. We're gonna kind of compare the two and see the difference between it. See what the skin looks like on here. I think it's just a little bit, looks like it's a little bit moist in the chicken up here. Still a little temp on these bad boys, see where they're at. 185, look at there, that's perfect. That's where you want to be on your chicken thighs. Cook these for about 45 minutes. Minimum, you want to cook a minimum to 185. This thing's going to cook up a little bit more, but it's going to give an opportunity for that fat to render down. All right, let's go ahead and get these skin side downs off first. These in a bowl here. It's always the key right here. You pull your chicken off. All right, so we got our chicken in a bowl here. We're going to add a little bit more rub, just like that. And a little bit of our favorite barbecue sauce. All right, just give those a little toss there. Toss them up really good. Get them sauced and tossed. All right, like our party seed bowl. We cheaped it out this weekend. A little bit more rub. Just like that. Toss them up really good. These here are our skin side down chicken thighs on the gas grill. Not on the charcoal grill, on the gas grill. A little bit of smoke rolling on them.
All right, just gonna repeat the same thing to the other ones, right, Greg?
Yep, these are skin side up.
What do you think, Greg? Which one looks better?
I mean, honestly, I think which one of these chicken thighs looks better?
Skin side up looks better.
Skin side up, definitely more presentable. But you know, the skin side down might have more moisture, more flavor in there. Who knows? I'm gonna go skin side down.
All right, I'll go skin side up.
Let's see what we got. Tender, juicy, skins bite through.
Somebody saw my skin completely pull off. It's good. Tasty.